Hi, I'm Catherine-Lucie Horber of Royal Interior Design, and we're here today at the Interior Design Show 2019, and we're so excited as we're going to walk through and visit some of the top leading companies in the industry and ask them questions, interview them, and tell you all about their products. So stay with us and let's go and browse it. And we are here at the ARD Outdoor booth with the founder and owner of the company, Richard, and he's going to talk to us about his brand new collection that they are bringing in for the gallery at their showroom on Dufferin and Lawrence called Vendôme, and that's very exciting. And you could tell us more about the product.
Well, so what we've done is we've partnered with Vendôme from Spain. They make a lot of this injection molded resin product, which you'll see around the booth. Very modern, contemporary, cutting edge outdoor furniture, certainly new to the Canadian market. And you know, as your standard teak and resin and aluminum outdoor furniture, this is something that the public hasn't seen before. So we thought this would be a good opportunity to showcase it.
We are here at the Beauti-Tone booth, and Beauti-Tone paint is sold across the country exclusively with home hardware retailers. This year the booth is so much fun. It is based on a fresh market vibe, as in you could buy local, buy fresh, and there's these beautiful colors, and we are so happy to be with the actual real Simon Chang, who has his all-new collection inspired by fashion.
My collaboration with Home Hardware was so exciting because I'm a fashion designer and I'm putting my own spin to fashion paint for the home. And I also feel if you could dress beautifully in fashion colors, you could definitely look fantastic in a home.
So the biggest story for Blanco in 2019 is our brand new concrete gray color. This color is very special to us as we manufacture it right here in Toronto at our Siligranite manufacturing facility. So we created a beautiful experience space about this color that really highlights the raw beauty and functionality of our Siligranite material. We are also showing here at the booth brand new products and different shapes of our sinks as our new faucets.
So this Caesarstone is the first quartz of its kind on the market that is 100% UV protected. It won't yellow, it won't fade, it won't chip, it won't scratch. And we've tested, it won't crack, and we've tested it from plus 40 degrees Celsius all the way to minus 40 degrees Celsius and everything in between. So you can keep it outside all year round and have this additional living space. And as you can see that we were talking about is that our assortment, our color palette is very well planned so that, you know, even if you didn't have this glass to see your interior kitchen, it's a flow, it's a natural flow of what your style is on the inside. You can carry it to the outside now as well.
We're here today with Elite Window Fashions, a Toronto-based Canadian company of window coverings. They've been around for over 50 years, and it's a family-owned business located in Concord, Ontario. Here's the principal, Noah Zimner. So, Noah, is there a little something you'd want to tell us about your products that differentiate you and that really make you guys a little bit more unique?
Yeah, so what makes us unique is really our fabric collection. So every single one of our products is hand selected in terms of the materials and the fabrics. We literally travel the world over to find the best fabrics from the top mills and put the collection together for our Canadian customers.
Yeah.
And it's a really diverse range of materials and textures and colors for multiple products and different styles. So I think that's what really sets us apart is our desire and our drive to put together really beautiful fabric collections for window treatments.
Featured on both the floor and the wall is our X-Lite Lush, which actually also comes in a 12 mil thickness for countertop as well. That's one of our newest lines that we're really pushing hard worldwide. Porcelain is better than quartz. It is essentially the new quartz. Stain-proof, fire-proof, large format, great for outdoors and any and all applications. And then of course we've actually got a prefabricated granite sink. So we've actually coupled these two pieces together. They're separate elements that we've chose to pair together simply for the purposes of the show, to show the suede finish and to show a beautiful waterproof bottom below. Then we've also got our accessories, which we also manufacture, as well as our faucet. So one great thing about Porcelanosa is a group of 9 factories. We own all 9 factories. We're a massive manufacturer based out of Spain. Yes, and we manufacture everything. So from A to Z, for any kind of construction job, you can come to Porcelanosa and we can get it done for you.